Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. Big up on yourself and you know watch from yard or abroad. So True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the parish of Saint Elizabeth, the bread basket in Jamaica. In one place them call name New Market. Very small town area. So take a view with Fire Reid. Yeah man, everybody's supposed to know about New Market. You know, say when rainfall, a lot of rainfall, you know, so them always have a flood in New Market. So when it's a rainy season, you gotta be very careful when you're driving in the New Market area. Big up on yourself, people. One love and one heart, you know. Just take a tour with Fire Reid. So we're coming up to a turn off on your left. Yeah man, the turn off to Darlington. Watch out the people, that's the red in Jamaica, just watch out. Yeah man, so the left turn will take you all to Darlington. Yeah man, so big up on yourself and the Darlington people that know when they're here or abroad. So we'll be exploring the New Market main road. Going to New Road also, New Road Westmoreland, Ashton to Rosehill. Yeah man, so I don't know Jamaica nice people. No matter where we go in the world, we're still proud to be a Jamaican, you know. Big up on yourself, anyone know I watch from. So if you don't like the channel, always remember to like it in the paper. Yeah man, so if you press the like button free of cost, you can reach out to a lot of different persons all over the world. Yeah man, just the vibes, you know. I know so you have a lot of different attraction in St. Elizabeth. You have the widest falls. Yeah man, so I'm gonna go up on the Treasure Beach area and you can go to Lashings, Jack Sprat, GX, 77 West, and also a lot of persons come to Jamaica and wonder where they're going to stay in St. Elizabeth. A lot of Airbnb on the south side of St. Elizabeth. Nice, cool place where you can relax with you and the family. Look at the view, people. Nice sky view, nice weather today in St. Elizabeth New Market. As you can see, a lot of corner shop in the area, so if you feel thirsty, you can have a stop at any of the bar and have a cool extra beer. Your choice what you want to have. So yes, people, so I know it's a New Market surrounded by hills. So all of the people that we are come from Mandeville on the south side. If you want to drive through Newmarket, go to Montego Bay at the airport. So you know, in the rainy time, it's kind of very slippery, so you gotta be very careful. And some persons say it kind of be shorter to drive through Newmarket to go to Montego Bay airport. But to me, if you drive in White House area, you have a better road condition. So you can share that area also. Nice road in White House. Go ferries them place there. So here's some people. So on your left, we are now in Westmoreland, New Road Primary School on your left. Yeah man, so big up all the Westmoreland people, them big up yourself and one day. Yeah, our brother, if you now watch Fire Reid channel, just share the channel. Yeah man, so other people can get to see what going on over the world. How Jamaica still nice and beautiful. No matter where we go, we are proud to be a Jamaican. So we're having some nice weather today in Westmoreland, New Road area. Westmoreland is the westmost parish in Jamaica, located on the south side of the island. Hanover, southwest of St. James and northwest of St. Elizabeth. So yes, some people, so I know a lot of places we can go in Westmoreland. Mayfield Falls, Peter Touch Museum, Rick's Cafe. What about Roaring River and Cave? The best things are hidden in the mountain, and Mayfield Falls is one of them. You can find beautiful, cool, crystal clear water, natural swimming pool under the water, cave, 4 mini falls, and a big waterfalls, plus popular pool known as washing machine. So yes, some people, so when you're in the Peter Touch area, you can get a nice view of the sea. Very nice place where you can relax and enjoy yourself. And also 7 Mile Beach in Negril. Take a tour on the 7 Mile Beach, Rick's Cafe. And also they have some nice all-inclusive hotel. West End them place there, so need to check out Negril. And also Negril are the hot spot in Jamaica. A lot of tourist attraction there. Sweet, sweet Jamaica land we love, you know. But I am on the other side of Westmoreland. Yeah man, if I don't know if I want to take kids to Cool Runnings Park. Yeah man, so I can go down for the Negril side. Yeah, you know Jamaica is a very, very big island now way to me. A lot of different parishes, 40 different parishes. I'm Fire Reid taking on the journey, so now I'm in the parish of Westmoreland. So if you love the sugar cane, right now here you can get the sugar cane. nice sugar cane, sweet. And also we can stop right at a restaurant and get jerk chicken or fried chicken. Right on your right coming up. Yeah man, that's how we can get jerk chicken or fried chicken. Place to be when you're driving through Westmoreland area. Yeah man, some of the time when I have to pull off of the road with the big unit to pass. I know some of the times, yeah, we know the big unit them try to pushing off of the road. So I have to be very careful not drive that them road there. Very close road. So you come like here drive to the countryside, yeah man, you can see a lot of different fruit trees, coconut trees, you know. No place like the country in Jamaica. In the countryside they get a lot of different scenery. All about nature in the countryside, you know. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. Yeah man, remember to like up the video, like up the video, like up the video. Thank you all for joining the people. Thank you all, thank you all. So if you don't want to know Jamaica, just have to tune into the channel and you will see many different places in Jamaica. Yeah man, a lot of road trips coming up. So I'm looking forward to have I will take you on some tours. So if you want to do a tour, you can link up Fire Reid same way. We can know some different areas in Jamaica. And the rural side, yeah man, countryside is the best of people. One love and one heart. Yeah man, so you are going to the car here now, so you have to make sure you take on the time and go down the car and a road gear. Yeah man, because you don't want to slide off of the road, you have to take it easy. Yeah man, so now if you know if you navigate the road. So not drive to them places when you see people are up on the road, just be ease down. If other vehicle are come towards you, yeah man, just ease down and make them pass. So in Westmoreland, you know, so they have a different structure of building. If you want to see some nice two-story house built out of lumber, yeah man, you can check out Westmoreland. It's a beauty. And always remember to blow in the horn on not traveling places, because you know, but the other road users that will say, yeah, the next vehicle is coming. So always blow the horn. So remember when I drive through St. Elizabeth, yeah man, so we can stop in a Holland Bamboo and get on a freshly coconut. Yeah man, on a peanut. If you don't want on a pepper shrimp. Also in middle quarter, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, but today Westmoreland today. You know, so we have to pass them place here. past them place if you come to Westmoreland, because where I'm coming from the Santa Cruz area, that is in St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz, the hottest town in Jamaica. So big up all the states people them who are watching right now, Magati, Black River School, Newell High School. Big up yourself, big up all of my fans them, big up yourself, any one of them, yard or abroad. Yeah man, big up Miss Bev Production also, Maurice Kingpin, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Yeah man, you know, say the teamwork make the dream work. So yes, some people, I know a lot of persons get some late flight coming from the Montego Bay Airport. Yeah man, as you can see them place are kind of lonely. Yeah man, so if you're not coming at night from Montego Bay Airport, please may I beg you to drive around on the main road, that in White House first them place, because if you get a punch in them area, I would say it would not be safe, because a lot of persons really use them already at night time, because couldn't get any punch out. So drive on the main road again, Ferris in the Westmoreland area, Ferris inside it. Yeah man, because as you can see right here, so it's a very lonely place. Not good for traveling at night. Yeah man, so may I give you some tips, seeing we want to navigate Jamaica with a day or night, you know. Because sometimes in some of the area they may have a lot some bad road condition. Chop out 2 tires in one night. I know say most car only one speed them carry. So if you're not traveling at night time, please travel on the Ferris side, you know. Yeah man, I love the people them, I care for them, so like on my channel. Yeah man, this channel is all about positivity in Jamaica. Yeah man, just know Jamaica with Fire Reid, the place to go, where to go and when to go. A lot of persons miss home because of the pandemic. people leave Jamaica how much years now I want to come home because of the pandemic. So I just take the time out and show them say yeah. So Jamaica looks same way. If any changes, you can leave it in the comment section below. Yeah man, so if any place no want Fire Reid to travel, just leave it in the comment section. So I will try my best to see how much I can assist you guys. Yeah man, because I'm a tour guide. Big up on yourself, anyone of the yard or abroad. Love me people will give me the big support, you know. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would be up and running today. So thanks for the support when I give Fire Reid, you know. One love and one heart, each one help one. See how long me I drive them side and you see how lonely a lot of bush on two sides. So you realize I'm not past the house, so it's not a safe area for driving at night pertaining to dropping on pothole, as I said before. So our destination would be in the Rosehill area in the Westmoreland. Yeah man, everywhere that we travel, most of the time, going to the airport or from the airport. Yeah man, see it, Bridge like him break down at the bush or so. Yeah man, so wish if I could give some assistance. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, the land we love, you know. Can't forget where we come from. There are a lot of persons all over the countryside, but the countryside is the best. There is so many turnoff in Jamaica. We can take different roads to go different places, you know. And please the people remember to blow no horn, the other road users them know so when I come. Yeah man, you know so I stress for that point there. Yeah man, I was stress for it because there's some crazy driver in Jamaica, some crazy driver in Jamaica. Yeah man, sometimes them go around the corners them like a straight, you know. Sometimes the sand bus them come through them hills here. Yeah man, you have to be careful of the sand bus them too. If I come from Montego Bay. So the story me I tell you about the people them patrol there, I'm on have to be careful of them patrol there, you know. Don't have a chop a tire out in them area. Sometimes persons chop 1-2 tires, you know. Call them friend or them family come meet them in that area. Big up on yourself, Bossy. Back in the days, we have a bus that we used to call him President Bus. Yeah, man, them know that President is a market bus. We used to drive from St. Elizabeth side, pick up a lot of different market people from different areas. People that were going to Manchego Bay Market. Yeah, man, you have a bus that we call him the President Bus. President Bus was to travel every road here regularly. But I think that bus is out of action right now. Yeah, man, way back in the days, the bus used to pass through. But mostly some small bus are drive them area now. From Santa Cruz side. So this turnoff can take you back to Darliston town. Yeah, man, so we're heading towards the Rose Hill area. So we're heading towards a gas station in Rose Hill. So remember, say one gas station right in a Rose Hill area. If you're going to Montego Bay side from Newmarket. So thank you guys for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah, man, so I come up to the gas station right now on your left. So just keep on watching. So this is our destination, right in a Rose Hill. So So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.